Hi guys, my name is Shehet Gregory, I'm a software engineer in Grammarly and now wrote from UndefinedLand. I work in Grammarly and we developed the best grammar checker tool. Our main project are web editor and extension which help users to correct their mistakes in the browser. And we are developer and we develop a new thing, and sometimes such a situation appear when user come to prod and our error metrics are rising, and we receive error and panic begin, and we understand in 1,000 times that undefined is not a function. And after that postmortem appear where we said that we are great JavaScript developer, it's only JavaScript, it's a bad language, it's developed by 15 days, there is no type there. And we try to use a type checking like for or TypeScript, but undefined appear again in logic way. So here testing come, it helps us to be quiet for our code. So we in Grammarly at first try to use Selenium test, and everything is okay, we play with Selenium, but we understand that we can't mock any API, every API, and some of the tests go down. So here ReactiveConf, it helps us not only to create the great JavaScript application, it helps us to render our virtual DOM in memory. So unit test time, and at first we try adjust. And we have the own build system, which is not very good configurable with jest, so we think to find something really simple, and it's a tape. Tape developed by famous open source Substack, and it's pretty simple. It have only a few methods like equal, deep equal, is, error, and its end. And also we try to use enzyme library, which is developed by engineers of Airbnb. Thank you, Levi Richardson, who will tell us about React Native tomorrow. And in Grammarly, we think to improve the situation with tape, and I write a tape enzyme library which update functionality of really poor tape, and it have 3 types of methods. The first type is simple testing, which add t variable, all chai methods like type checking, some error checking, and others. And the second one is more interesting. It's enzyme testing. For example, we have a component foo, which render a div with class name foo and text, which send it in the props, and we shall render our foo component. And if we write a test in a simple type way, we every time write t equal some wrapper, some enzyme method, has class, for example, text or something else. And if we write use type enzyme library, t variable will have the enzyme methods like text, props, type, and others. But now we have to use t every time and write wrapper every time, and it will be better maybe to create some test wrapper. So here test wrapper method come. So we init our test wrapper, and now we can write wrapper and has class, and it will check in line automatically. So our code became much more cleaner. And we write wrapper every time, and we can use a chain. So our plan. Now unit tests in React is very powerful, and we refactor a lot of integration Java tests in unit 1. And also in new project, we use a jest, and in future, you will see the jest enzyme library. So thank you, and install type enzyme.